Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be explaining to you guys is how you can renew your leagues in Fantasy Premier League. Now, to actually renew your leagues, you actually have to be part of a league, which I am not. However, I still have the same options, and I will demonstrate to you how you can renew your leagues in the actual mobile app. The process is a bit different from the actual website in the browser, be it on your PC or on your phone, on your tablet, it really doesn't matter. However, I will be explaining to you guys how you can do it on the mobile app, and I'll try to explain verbally how you can do it on the browser as well. Now, to actually renew your leagues, what you want to do is to actually go down to the Leagues and Cups section, and you want to select the Leagues button, and what you want to do is click on Configure Leagues, and once you click on that, this screen will appear. And here you can see the Renew Your Leagues button. What you want to do is to actually press that button, and you will see here I have currently no leagues to renew. However, you will see a list of all your leagues, and you can just click on the Renew button next to their names, and once you do that, you will renew your leagues. Now, I am not in a league. However, you can easily join a league by clicking on it, and actually, no, this is the way you view it. The way you join leagues is, of course, clicking Join League. Here you can enter your invitational league code, or you can go public and click Join a League, and you will be updated in a new league once the point standings actually differ. Let me just check if I'm in a league now. I am not, since I click Join a League, but I have to wait for the points to update before I'm actually a member of the league. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have nothing else to say about this topic. I hope you found it informative and useful, and I'll see you in another video.